In this video tutorial, we will show you how to complete the initial load from Oracle to Databricks and establish a change data capture data stream with Autoschema using Striim's Flow Designer templates. Striim's Autoschema allows you to automatically create schemas and tables in the target that correspond to those in the source. First, we will set up your initial load application to move all your existing data over from Oracle. To get started, we will go to the Create App page in Striim. You can search for the correct source, in this case, Oracle, and target Databricks. Select the appropriate template in Striim's Flow Designer. Name your initial load application and click Save. Configuring Oracle as a source requires your IP address or hostname, port, username, and password. Once these are validated, you will select which schemas you are going to move and any associated tables. Now that you have your source configured, you will configure your Databricks connection. To connect to the target component, provide the connection URL, personal access token, and hostname. Next, Striim will ask you if you'd like to migrate the source schema over to the target automatically and to verify permissions to be able to do so. Select the blue Yes. Migrate my schema and move data button to begin the migration, and watch as the initial load is completed in real time. Now we will start the application and can watch as the initial load is completed in real time. Our Striim application progress screen shows that 1,700 events have been moved from Oracle to Databricks. Watch as we run different queries in Databricks, resulting in 1,946 events moving from Oracle to Databricks. Now that you have completed the initial load from Oracle to Databricks, we will create a change data capture application. You will need to follow many of the same steps you did for your initial load application. Next, you will deploy and start your application, clicking the eye icon so that you can preview your data stream while it's running. Now, in your source, you will run a query to show that no new events have occurred. Then verify that in your target, Databricks. Then we will simulate events being inserted into the source to show that the application is moving events over to Databricks via continuous connection. Watch as we make several changes to the data set and see as the data is moved over to Databricks. In this video, you have seen an initial load and change data capture application with Autoschema from Oracle to Databricks created and running in just a few minutes. Thanks for watching.